We're reviewing a LiFePO4 battery, 1280, 100 amps. As we open up the package, they are well protected. You have an instruction guide that you could go over. It's easy to hook up to any 12-volt system, parallel or series, and/or parallel and series. Our system is 12 volt. We're going to hook it up to a solar panel on the ground and show you the battery, how nicely it's packaged inside, lifting up. It has weight about 20 plus pounds. It has caps to protect the terminals, positive with the red ring, negative with the black ring, and caps that need to be removed when installing. Inside the kit, you get 2 cap covers and bolts that go on to the corresponding terminals. Depending on your system, you have black or red. So we're going to remove the caps. Simply place on the correct color and screw down. And repeat for the other side, closing down. The caps do come off, so you can screw down your tops and place back on as a covering. This LiPo has a lifespan of 4,000 cycles. It is a 12 volt plus system that the batteries can be placed on the sides in any angle and is protected all around by a plastic shell case. As we go and show you the batteries are stored in LiPo bags for protection. We are hooked up to an LED living room light, solar charger controllers and timers for patio lights, living room lights, and more. 12.8 100 amp 1280 WH batteries. They come in many different sizes. The solar controller panel hooked up. We're going to run a fountain. 12 volts that lights up for solar powered to 12 volt systems, lighting, motors, and more. The VEMDIA can be ran with a fan, 12 volts. Charging up RC cars, we have a 12 volt system that can be easily charged up with the VEMDIA 100 amp hour 1280 WA and chargers for LiPo batteries. You have power chargers, RC. You can run lighting systems, LED systems, motors, tillers, anything that requires a 100 amp hour battery for your solar controller, your power systems, and more. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in a LiFePO4 battery.